In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first traffic ad. So let's get started. So this is good if you want link clicks, if you want landing page views, Messenger and WhatsApp messages, calls, Instagram profile visits, which is a good one. You do not have to name your campaign. It even says here is optional, but I highly recommend it so you know what exactly you're looking for. Traffic, and let's just say the date. Is going to be a cold audience, and let's say that it's going to be a video. You have the two options for this campaign. You can go with recommended settings, or you can go with manual settings. Because it's traffic, I'm comfortable doing recommended settings, so we'll go ahead and continue. There we go. So when you do that and you go with the recommended settings, the name of the campaign will change, which is fine. I would just add the date so you know when you submitted it and you know when it's time to make some changes. Advantage Plus campaign budget, sure, I'll do $20. Traffic, yes please. And you can maximize it for number of link clicks or landing page views. Honestly, if you're doing e-commerce, I highly suggest this one, this option right here of clicks. And if you're doing service-based ads, I highly suggest doing landing page views. Location, I'll leave it in the US. Remember, I'm not 100% comfortable with the audience Advantage Plus just yet, so I will go ahead and add some recommendations. So it'll be women. Let's say that in this case, I want to target women entrepreneur. The Female Entrepreneur Association, it's a really good interest that I can use to target prospective audience. If I wanted to define further, I can just come here and say, hey, I want somebody who falls under Business Entrepreneur Association, but also has to match this interest, behavior, or demographic. So let's just see, Facebook group admin maybe. Oh, Facebook page admins. It will be someone who's dealing with Facebook pages, but then is also interested in Female Entrepreneur Association. So I will remove this one though, because I'm not interested in being that narrow, because one of the strategies that Meta suggested is to use broad audiences, which I've been doing forever. I never went for narrow audiences. One trick right here, you can click on suggestions, and if you don't know any other pages that you can target, or sometimes we want to target pages that are not ranking high enough, or they don't have as many followers, and the system just doesn't allow us to target. So you can just come and select, oh, you know what, entrepreneurship, business and finance, that's another good one. Suggestions, female entrepreneur. Let me see if girl boss will show up. Nope, not anymore. He used to. Women entrepreneur. Nope. And the land of women. Okay. So let's say business owners. That's a good one. And then remember, there's more suggestions right here that you can use. And the beautiful part of it is that the audience definition will tell you exactly, well, approximately how many people you'll be reaching. So I think it's safe to say this is a good size audience. Then we can move on. Remember, I'm comfortable with placements on Advantage Plus. We'll let them do the work. Primary text, same thing. Learn how to connect with your ideal clients. And then let's see which text variations we get. There we go. Unlock the secrets of successful client connections. Yeah, there you go. That's a good one. Want to connect with your ideal clients? Discover the secret? Sure, I do. And we can use a few more. Find your... Oh, there we go. Here's some options already. You can refresh variations. There we go. Remember, you can go ahead and select the call to action. It doesn't have to be what is defaulted to. So subscribe, just for example. Website events. You want to make sure that you have your pixel selected. Remember, this is not an active website at the moment, so it's going to be off, but this should be in green at all times. And then I can come and select the media part. So let's say that I'm going to use, I don't know, this quote, for example, right? So something that Ads Manager has that I really like is that it gives you the option to do Advantage Plus creative enhancements. And then all you have to do is click all optimizations, and then it'll do it for you. So that's something less to worry about. And this is something that also, we're encouraged to tell our clients, our communities, to go ahead and push. And that is it. So there's something going on with the previews of the ads, but otherwise you should be able to see what you are promoting, the type of creative that you're pushing, whether it's a carousel, whether it's a video, whether it's a static image. And once you see it over here, all you have to do is click publish. That's about it. So yeah, there's something going on with these previews. So let's just say that this is something I want to push. Okay. There we go. So after that, you publish and you are done with it. One last thing, actually. If you were working with another business and you guys were running the ad together, all you have to do is turn this on, enter the partnership code, and you'll be able to verify it, and they should be able to give you that a creator, especially if you're working on this type of collaborations with influencers and you want them to promote your product, your services. This is something that you can do, and then you basically get access to both audiences. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.